Hey everybody, welcome again to the Underground. Still the only YouTube channel filmed in my basement. Tonight we are going to make an oil pot and brush set that's going to consist of an oil pot, a lid, and a brush holder. It's going to be for brushing oil onto parts on the lathe when we're turning things up. So the pot, the lid, and the brush holder are all going to be made out of aluminum and turned up on the lathe. I'm pretty sure they're going to come out good because I kind of already made them. There's also a base that's going to go with it that's going to hold them all together. That we're going to cast in aluminum. We're going to polish it all up and it's going to look fantastic. If you guys enjoy the video, please do like and subscribe. Help me get this channel going. And yeah, let's get rocking. Okay everybody, we're done with the brush pot and holder set, and really happy with how it came out. I know I had promised casting a base, and I sat down and started designing things, and I wanted a very simple design, and I started looking at the draft angles I was going to need for my mold, and I just felt like I was compromising the design, and what I ended up doing was just printing one out of black poly smooth and smoothing it out, and I'm actually very happy with it. Poly smooth does react to alcohol, and even though I don't use rubbing alcohol at my lathe here, you know, we'll kind of see how it stands up to the regular chemicals we use at the lathe. Either way, you know, printing's cheap, and I'm happy with it. It's been working great. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. Otherwise, you know, thanks for watching.
And that was the right shot, dude.
All right, cut.